Good morning, it's the 10th of March 2010 and this is your daily outlook. Fed President Evans says extended period means 3 to 4 policy meetings. Yesterday was a light day in terms of financial data with no major economic reports released from the US. Overall, the dollar traded weaker, equity markets almost unchanged, and commodities such as oil and gold closed at $81 and $1,115. Fed President Evans was in the spotlight and was reportedly commenting about the state of the economy and said that if economic circumstances change quickly, then a change in policy could be very likely. He said that extended period means 3 to 4 policy meetings. 2-year US Treasury yields traded between 0.89% and 0.87% yesterday, and the dollar-yen traded in a tight range as well, between 90.45 and 89.75. In Europe, we had more news coming from Fitch, a rating agency, saying that its negative outlook on Portugal remains and a possible default should not be ruled out. Greek Prime Minister made a visit to Washington and met with US President Obama. The meeting was not intended to ask for financial aid from the US. However, he did express to the President that Greece cannot continue to borrow at the current yields. IMF also said that the meeting with Papa Andreou was to discuss technical assistance, and this can only add pressure to Germany as outside help may be considered as a blow of confidence against European solidarity. Eurodollar price action yesterday was between 136.36 and 135.36. In the UK, we had Fitch again express concerns over the UK's deficit profile. However, it still remains within the AAA rating. They also expressed concerns about UK banks and that a wave of defaults may occur if government support is withdrawn. Bank of England Posen also spoke yesterday, saying that quantitative easing has helped the UK economy, and if the need arises again, further operations may be resumed. So today's focus will turn to the German Consumer Price Index, expected to drop to 0.4% year on year. Manufacturing production will be released in the UK, where 1.4% growth is expected for the month of January. And in the US, we have a number of mortgage-related data. The Fed budget for February expected at minus $222 billion, and the crude oil inventories for the week expected to drop to 2.1 million barrels. Currencies to watch out for are the Eurodollar and the dollar-yen. The Eurodollar pivot point is at 136.50, with a preference to enter into short positions at 136.40. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 89.70, with a preference to enter into long positions at 89.75. Today's calendar and market movers: we have a German Consumer Price Index expected to drop to 0.4% for the year, UK manufacturing production for the year expected to grow by 1.4%, and US crude oil inventories for the week expected at 2.1 billion barrels. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive yesterday, with the Dow closing at 0.11% and the SP 500 at 0.17%. European bourses were mixed yesterday, with the FTSE down 0.08%, the DAX positive at 0.17%, and the CAC closing at 0.17%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei is at minus 0.04% and the Hang Seng at minus 0.06%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.